In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to GitHub pages. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, we'll need to head over to GitHub, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to GitHub's official website. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account. If you've already got one, let's move on to the next step. Next, click on the sign in button located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to log in. It's always a good idea to double check your username and password to make sure you're entering them correctly. A little tip, use a password manager to streamline the process and keep your credentials secure. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the GitHub dashboard. This is your control center where you can access all your repositories, track issues, and much more. From here, look for the repositories section, which should be somewhere on your navigation pane. Click on it to see a list of all your current repositories. Choose the repository you want to link with your custom domain. Once you're in the desired repository, go ahead and click on Pages. This option is designed to help you manage your GitHub pages and any related configurations. Now it's time to delve into the settings of your repository. This is where you'll be making the necessary adjustments to connect your custom domain. In the settings, scroll down until you find the Pages section. It's here you'll see the option labeled Custom Domain. Clicking on it will allow you to enter your domain name. Type your custom domain name into the field. It's very important to ensure you've bought and registered this domain with a registrar and have DNS configured correctly pointing to GitHub servers. If you're unsure how to do this, check with your registrar for specific guidance. It's typically a matter of setting an A record or CNAME to point to GitHub. After entering your domain, make sure you save the changes. Upon saving, GitHub will automatically attempt to verify the domain configuration. This process can take a little time, so be patient. If it's not verifying correctly, double check your DNS records with your domain registrar to ensure everything is set up properly. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to connecting a custom domain to your GitHub pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you showcase your project under a personalized, professional domain. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.